Everywhere you look, people are saying the same thing. AI is coming for your job. White collar work, tech, engineering. But almost no one is asking the uncomfortable question. And that is, what happens to the skilled trades? Because here's the truth, and most people get this wrong. AI isn't replacing tradespeople, but it's about to change the rules of the game. And the people who don't understand what that change is are the ones who are going to struggle. Let me show you what I mean. If you're new here, I'm Andrew. I've spent over 16 years in the skilled trades. HVAC, refrigeration, real buildings, real problems. And I want to clear something up right away. AI isn't here to eliminate trade jobs. It's here to expose the difference between someone who follows the instructions and someone who actually understands systems. Right now, AI in the trades isn't some futuristic robot turning wrenches. Most of the time, it's sitting quietly in the background, watching numbers, temperatures, pressures, electrical loads. It is also learning system behavior. Over time, it notices patterns that humans might miss. It sees when something slowly drifts out of spec. It can warn you that a failure is coming along before the equipment even shuts down. That is incredibly powerful. But there's a limit to what the data can tell you. Because knowing that something is wrong is very different from knowing why it's wrong. And here's the part that gets overlooked. AI only understands the world it is connected to. It sees sensors, it sees numbers, it sees trends, but it doesn't understand intent, history, or shortcuts. It doesn't know that someone rerouted a control circuit during a midnight service call 5 years ago. It doesn't know that a system was modified just enough to get it running and then never touched again. It doesn't know which problems are new and which problems have been quietly ignored for decades. A tradesperson figures that out all by experience, by asking the right questions, by recognizing patterns that were never written down. That gap between data and reality is where humans stay essential. And this is where the shift really happens. Technology doesn't simplify the trades. It raises the bar. You're no longer just fixing what is broken. You're interpreting systems, you're validating data, you're explaining why something failed and how to prevent it next time. The result is split. People who understand the trade at a deeper level move up fast. They solve bigger problems, make better decisions, and earn more trust. People who only know how to follow the steps, they don't disappear, but they stop progressing. AI doesn't remove the skill from the equation. It puts a spotlight on it. If you like solving real problems, if you don't want to spend your career behind a desk, if you enjoy working with both your hands and your brain, this shift is good news. As buildings become more complex, the value of someone who truly understands how systems behave goes up, not down. The trades aren't becoming obsolete. They are becoming harder to fake. AI is not replacing skilled trades, but it is separating surface level knowledge from real expertise. And the people willing to adapt, they won't be chasing work. They will be in demand. That's the future of the trades.